Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, here I'm going to show you a time-saving feature in Odoo 19 point of sale, which is one-click payment. Okay, so basically this feature allows you to skip the payment screen and complete the transaction instantly using a predefined payment method. So it's perfect for the business that you guys are handling a fast-paced sales and you want to speed up the checkout process. So here you can simply find this feature by moving on to the configurations under the settings. There we have the payment method sections. Okay, so let it load. And if I'm scroll down there, you can see under the payments, here you have an option to enable this one-click payment, a shortcut to skip the payment screen. Okay, simply you can enable this option and you can move with the payment details. So here I want to show you what is the before stage while we are doing without that particular feature. So I just want to remove this point of sale. Let it be furniture shop. Okay. So I just provided it as furniture shop. Once we are done with that, we can simply save this option. And after onwards, we can move on to the dashboard itself. There we have the furniture shop. I'm going to continue the selling. Simply click on this option. This is our product, and once I'm just adding any of my product to the cart, what is actually happening is I can simply click on the payment option, and there you can see this is the payment screen that defaultly provided by Odoo. Once we didn't even enable that feature, which is skipping that payment screen and providing the payment at one click. So here we need to move with the process, like clicking on the payment and choosing which kind of payment are that you using and providing how much is the amount and everything, right? So I can check out the details. But if I'm just using that option, what will happen is moving to the back end itself. I just want to move back. Let's move to the back end under the configurations, settings. There we have the payment, and I'm going to enable this option, which is one-click payment. Once I'm enabled, there you can see shortcut to skip the payment. So you must need to provide the payment methods. So here I just want to choose the payment method. There we have card and cash inside this particular payment. There we have choose it already there. Okay. So I just want to provide this as card and cash as well. Once we guys are done with that, I can hit the save button. Okay. Once it's saved, let's move back to the dashboard itself. I just want to continue my selling. Clicking on that option. There we have the dashboard. Now I want to sell a particular product to any of the customer. So let it be acoustic block screen in the black variant, adding the product. I just want to provide the conference chair. Let me add this one also. There you can see the total amount for this two product, and I just want to provide the customer. Let it be Abigail Carter. There you can see this is the amount, which is total $353. Okay, $353. And there you can see directly we can choose a card or a cash payment before moving on to the payment section. So I can simply move with the cash. Once I've done with that, ta-da! Within one click, I just completed the whole payment inside my POS module. So if I just enable that feature, we can do this as like this. It's a kind of easy process to save up you a lot of time if you just managing a fast kind of business, like if you want to just bill everything in a fast way using the POS module. You can simply enable that feature and you can provide the payment method and you will get the invoice at less like this. Okay. So I hope you all understood this video. So please use this feature inside your Odoo POS module. I'll be back with another kind of tips and tricks inside POS and another modules. So till the next video, bye-bye.